teachers and my dear friend. Today, I and my team Garvik, Sihan and Arnav will going to represent a short video regarding Ozone Day. So let's see what is Ozone Day and how it is done. So let's get started.
Good morning everyone. So as we all know that today is Ozone Layer Day. As we celebrate Ozone Layer Day, let us talk something about ozone. Ozone is a gas. It occurs in gaseous form. It is not an element because it is an allotrope of oxygen with the formula O3. It is also known as trioxygen. It is bigger than its younger cousin oxygen which we breathe, and the oxygen which we breathe is known as dioxygen. And oxygen itself is an element. We talk that we breathe oxygen. It is not that. We breathe an allotrope of oxygen, O2. So as we dig deeper into ozone, its chemical formula releases, which is O3. O3 means 3 atoms of oxygen joined together. Ozone is very important because it blocks the sunlight reaching the earth. It is found between the troposphere and stratosphere, the first and second layer of the earth. It is very important to us. It is found at the height of 15 to 35 kilometers. The depletion of ozone is a big harm to humanity. As you can see here on the screen, the first picture is of a single oxygen atom. The second picture is of dioxygen, diatomic oxygen, or simple oxygen which we breathe. Oxygen does not exist in free state. And the third picture is of ozone, O3, which is also known as trioxygen. So let us discuss how is ozone formed. As the picture on the screen shows, ozone is formed when lightning, sunlight, UV light or any other natural phenomena breaks down an oxygen molecule consisting of two atoms into two single atoms. It joins with another molecule of oxygen, that is O2. So O2 plus O is equal to O3, and O3 means ozone.
The depression of ozone layer is the chemicals, especially the manufactured chemicals called holocarbon solvent. When the chlorine and bromine comes into the contact with ozone layer in the stratosphere, they start destroying. One chlorine atom can destroy up to 1 lakh ozone layer molecules. That is why it is destroying day by day.
How to save ozone layer? Avoid the consumption of gases dangerous to the ozone layer due to their content or manufacturing process. Do not use cleaning products that are harmful to the environment and to us. Many cleaning products contain solvent and solvent corrosive, but you can replace these dangerous substances with non-toxic products such as vinegar or bicarbonate. Minimize the use of cars, plant trees as much as possible.
Antarctic ozone hole, one of the deepest and the largest gap in the ozone in the last 40 years, has closed. According to the World Meteorological Organization (WMO), one chlorine molecule from a CFC can destroy up to 1 lakh ozone molecules. The ozone hole was first discovered in 1985 in the Antarctic region. It is not a hole as many people may actually believe, but it means a loss of about 60% of the ozone, usually between September and November every year. The ozone layer is healing and is expected to recover itself by 2050 to 2060. CFCs are responsible for about 80% of the ozone depletion. The hole in the ozone layer over Antarctica is twice the size of Europe. The ozone layer is thinnest near the poles. Here are some of the ways the smell of ozone is described. Like a burning wire. Like a chlorine. A clean smell. Sweet and pungent.